Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox the new Yeezy 350s that just came out. We have the Yeezy Earth, we have the Yeezy Flax, and we have the Yeezy Tailgate. This unboxing is brought to you by our good friends from Seoul Republic. They actually sent these pairs over so we can get an early look at all three shoes. So if that's something that interests you, keep watching. Let's subscribe to the channel. Yeah, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a Nike React Infinity in your size. We will be drawing the winner this coming Sunday. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. So for this particular episode, we're joined by Mr. Hype Geek himself, Mr. Colin Chan of ungeek.ph. So Colin, pasok!
Whoa! Tapos ko pa yung ano mo.
Oh, ang soon to launch.
Soon to launch.
7-to-1 waterproof.
Water resistant.
Jacket. So guys, abangan yan. By the way, quick plug. The pre-orders for the 7-to-1 side hustle bag are still ongoing. If you pre-order before March 1, you get 500 pesos off, and 1 out of 10 boxes will have a mystery gift.
Yun!
So I actually just was packing a Samsung smartphone into one of the bags that will be going out to the pre-orders.
Samsung smartphone. So lang
Yes.
i-reiterate yun.
A71.
Ah, wow.
So ang A71, isa sa mga nag-pre-order mananalo.
Wow.
Anyway, tama na plug. Baka sabihin na, sobra natin plug. So we have the three sneakers over here.
Yep.
And I want to start with the tailgate first.
Alright.
Because this is the one that I want.
Really?
Well, when I first saw online.
Okay.
So as usual, you have the usual 350 box, diba? Yeezy people will know what it looks like.
Yep.
So if you pop it open, this is what, wow!
Yeah.
Wow! So yung isa.
Oh.
This is what the shoe looks like. Bam! Obviously, it's called tail light because
Because of
the back. The
yeah,
orange
that's
pop.
An orange pop, yeah.
and the slight orange bar along the translucent stripe along the lateral side of the shoe.
Yeah.
So pag tingnan mo yun sa likod, parang kinyari daw parang tail light ng kotse.
Is that the reason?
Well, that's what the people are saying.
Okay.
So the rest of the shoe is pretty much your typical Yeezy 350 prime knit in gray midsole as well, and then you have the boost encased, of course, in the rubber midsole, diba?
Yeah.
So we won't go through the details now of how it feels.
Yeah, because I
Kasi
mean,
we've reviewed so many
yeah,
350s.
like honestly, if you've ever put your feet into a 350, you know how
Alam mo
it feels
na.
already.
You know, if you know,
you know.
Ganon. Now a lot of people are actually comparing this with the True Form,
yeah.
which came out together with the Hyperspace
Last
and
year.
Ano isa pa? Yung orange one, Clays.
Yung favorite mo.
Paborito ko yun. So, we actually have the True Form over here.
Okay.
So, para ma-compare natin.
Let's compare.
Diba? So,
Alright.
I'll hand the shoe over to you.
Okay.
Tapos baka
I'll
you
give you
can
my thoughts.
share what you think. So, this is the True Form,
Okay.
guys. So, Colin, ano yung mga nakikita mong similarities?
There's a lot of similarities here. I mean, like you have, of course, the orange, parang end here sa at the back part. It's more subtle orange, like a little bit of peach. Ito kasi parang mas salmon-ish yung kulay niya.
Kasing kulay niya yung jacket mo.
Medyo, no? Is it the same?
Yeah,
Parang
it's kind of like vermilion orange.
Yes, vermilion orange. And then, but this one, you get the orange vibe all the way.
And even on the midsole.
And even on the
The
midsole.
midsole is colored.
Yeah.
The midsole is colored.
Also, what I noticed about with this variant, there is like a slight greenish tint. Ito yung what I remember I commented this in the previous releases eh. It's very subtle. You don't really see it,
Yeah,
but
dito,
it's there.
Nandito sa medial side.
Diba? Sa medial side
Parang may,
nandun
green,
eh.
may slight green like stripes running across.
With this one, there is none. It's really
pure
just
gray.
like pure gray.
So between the two, which one would you cop?
This one is more interesting for me.
Ako this one. So I prefer this one kasi I prefer bold colors. So I like the strong orange versus the parang more salmony pastel color.
Okay.
Para sa akin kasi I went through the phase of loving the light colors. Pero ngayon talaga I'm really enjoying the
Alam mo,
loud
ang
pops.
weird sa akin, I out of all the three that came out, I was now into the more neutral, you know,
It's called
OG,
age.
I guess, OG Yeezy vibe.
It's called age.
Diba?
Okay, so anyway, so yun yung True Form. We'll set it aside first.
Right.
Next that we'll unbox is Flax ba?
Earth.
Ano naman may Earth yun
Okay,
guys?
okay.
Kasi yan yata yung pinakamataas yung resale eh.
No,
Yeah,
this is
the tailgate?
The tailgate is the highest.
Okay, so buksan natin yung Flax.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam bakit siya Flax. I think, is that a color?
ano, flaxseed, ganun ba yun? Hindi ko alam eh.
Malay mo flaxseed, diba?
Hindi, iba yung color ng flaxseed eh.
Wow, this is very yellow. So guys, we have over here the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Flax. Ah, this looks strangely familiar.
It looks like the butters.
I have the butters.
You have the butters.
Nagkataon lang. Di scripted to. Nagkataon lang talaga that we have the butters.
Oh, yun!
Over here. Nakabox
Nice.
pa.
Nakabox pa.
So you
yan.
have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 butters, which were your favorite for a while.
It was my favorite for a while.
Until we sold it in the steel cabinet.
Yeah, no, I sold it because it was not my size.
Well, maybe of...
Okay, parang it has the same vibe eh. It has exactly the same vibe. It has a little bit of, I mean, may variance lang siya, obviously. It has that nice, you know, translucent stripe as well, but in terms of the yellow color that it predominantly has, it's almost like butter.
Yeah, but the difference of course is yung how the upper was made.
Yeah.
And this one is slightly more on the
Brown
brownish
side. So parang ito,
it's brown yellow.
Fresh butter. Ito yung parang butter tapos iniwaw na matagal.
Ito yung butter na may kasamang garlic.
Okay. Sabi ko sana parang naging stale.
Butter garlic sauce.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi may mga brown na flecks eh. So, butter garlic.
So, ito yung mas masarap.
Oh, ito butter lang.
Butter lang.
So, ito yung pwede sa pancake. Ito yung pwede sa sugpo.
Uy.
Diba?
Parang nagutom ako dun
Pwede sa crab, diba?
Guys,
sa
hindi
dampa.
pa ako nag-dinner.
Diba? So, anyway, between the two, which one would you pick?
I think the flax is a little bit more interesting.
I agree with you there.
The flax is a little bit more interesting, but, however, the butter is brighter. So I might go with butters.
Ako, it's a toss-up between the two. There's no real strong preference for either.
Yeah.
So, whatever I can get for retail, that's the one I'll probably get.
That's...
For
Sige,
either of the
okay.
two. Kasi hindi siya yung parang compelling na I
right.
want it more than the other.
Right.
Parang ito yung mga sapatos na feeling ko I'll wear once or twice and then it will go to the steel cabinet. Parang cop, wear, beat, repeat before, di ba? Ngayon, cop, wear, beat, steel cabinet.
Diba?
So those who don't know what the steel cabinet is, I have a cabinet where we sell a lot of the sneakers that we review on the channel.
Right.
So after reviewing, I don't need the shoes. They don't need to stay here.
So it goes there.
So it usually goes to the steel cabinet and we sell it at a massive discount.
Yup, ridiculous price tayo.
So we have the last sneaker,
which is Earth.
the Earth. So ito, dito ako sobrang excited.
Ako din.
Because I'm a huge fan of browns.
Yeah.
Diba, alam mo yun? I love brown shoes. My favorite sneaker from the Kanye Yeezy line to date is still the Oxford
Tans. Okay.
And of all the Yeezys, I've had most of the Yeezys, no? I think literally like most of them. Sa adidas yung sa Nike ba yun?
Yeah.
And the ones that I kept in my collection, tatatlo na lang.
Oh?
I sold everything else.
Wow.
So I have the V2 Statics,
Right.
the 700 V2 Statics. I have the Yeezy Oxford Tan because it has always been my favorite Yeezy. And I have the Yeezy Moonrocks.
Oh, wow.
So yung tatlo na lang natitira ko Yeezy. So lahat to, well, hindi namin pwede ibenta to sa steel cabinet.
Kasi hindi naman atin eh.
Pero kung gusto mo bumili, punta kayo ng Soul Republic.
There we go, yan.
Pabuksan na natin.
Okay. Gusto ko sabihin, this is in your size
Hindi kaya.
It's 30.
Oh!
It's in your size.
Lerwin, ano ba yan?
Di ko ba dapat sinabi na in your size?
Si Lerwin talaga.
Parang feeling ko
lakas man demonyo.
Kilala ka na niya eh.
Ang lakas mang demo. Ang
point,
ganda!
Okay, honestly, out of all the three, this is my favorite. It's very,
Dude,
very, very small.
That yellow, non-visible
I know.
the heel.
I know. But, it looks so good on hand.
It will even look much better on feet.
Yun!
Wala na demonyo na.
Wala na. Benta na yan.
Sold!
Here's the funny thing about that. Like, a lot of people are complaining about Earth because parang they felt na parang when they saw it, parang it kind of feels lighter. It kind of looks lighter.
Which is okay.
Which yun nga eh. You know what? You're right. It reminds me of the Oxford Tans. It's like a close cousin to the Oxford Tan.
It's a slightly darker version of
the Oxford Tan, right?
The Oxford Tan is so light brown eh.
Yeah.
This one is more like the sesame slash what's the other one? There's another brown one that came out eh. I forgot.
Is it a recent one? Hindi.
Basta there were two Oxford Tan copycats. So those two, siguro pagsama nyo yung dalawang yan, this is what would be the result. But I'm feeling this a lot.
Yeah.
And I'm loving it. Siguro, if Lerwin will give me a good price,
well, wink wink.
baka kunin na natin siya.
Oo.
Diba? So, actually, wag na natin siya bigyan ng choice, on feet na natin.
Parang wala na siyang choice eh.
But anyway, so among all the, ilan ba tatlo? So kunin nga natin, so labas mo yung ano. Ilabas
The
natin ang Flax.
Here.
Ito si tailgate.
Right.
Ito ba si tailgate?
That's tailgate.
Oh, yan na naman.
Oh, yan na yung
the Yeezy part.
Yeezy part, okay.
Okay, so we have the 3 sneakers over here. If you were to pick one,
I'll pick the Earth.
ako din Earth.
Easy.
Nico, magpakita ka. So Nico from ungeek.ph as well.
Here.
So bro, which one of the 3 would you pick?
This one.
So overwhelming decision.
Earth.
Earth wins Captain Planet. Marami nanonood, they don't know Captain Planet.
Oy,
anymore.
alam mo, you should YouTube Captain
Okay
Planet.
guys, so if you don't know who Captain Planet is, please do it right now. We're about to end the video.
Yeah.
So just YouTube,
Captain
search
Planet.
Captain Planet.
And be a planeteer.
Be a planeteer.
You can be one too.
Yes, because we need that now more than ever.
Yes. Yeah.
We need that now more than ever. So anyway, so let us know which of the 3 you guys prefer. Is it the Flax? Is it the tailgate? Or is it the Earth?
Yes.
Ako ganito exactly yung ano ko, yung ranking.
Yung ranking mo.
Parang best, okay, it's okay.
It's okay. Ganon. Ako, I would go with this,
Then that.
this, and then
then
this.
this. Okay.
Funny thing though, in terms of resale, ito yung pinakamahal. And then
Talaga?
this, and then that.
Pero I would imagine, I could understand. Kasi parang the going trend now talaga is more the loud pops of color.
And I think because kukunti lang yung market, this is a Europe exclusive eh.
This one?
Yeah, so it's kind of harder to get. This one is Asia, but then there's a lot of,
Asia, parang hindi ko sama Pilipinas.
Asia, Australia,
Hindi ba tayo
Japan.
kasama sa Asia?
Kasama, but this only came out online. Wala siya in physical stores.
Ah.
This one is North America.
Soul Republic, ano na? Ay, Soul Republic, Commonwealth, Soul Academy,
Oo
ano
nga
na?
eh, di ba? Come on. Eh,
Hello?
ang ganda pa ng resale na to.
Hello, Soul Republic. Soul Republic. Oh, bilhin ko na.
Makikita na ako.
Okay na. Sold.
approved daw.
Size 13. Okay guys, that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. Again, 2 reminders, we're still doing the giveaway. And if you haven't subscribed yet to Ungeek, please do check their channel out. I'll put the link down below. Check out their site for the latest news and everything geekery.
Yes.
Ungeek.ph. And lastly, pre-orders for this Project 7 to 1 side hustle bag are still ongoing. Place your pre-order right now. Save 500 pesos and get the chance to win a Samsung Galaxy A71. Peace, God bless. What's up?
Boom.
Boom.